Hello friends, welcome to Zingi world. Let's learn A to Z. A for ant. It spells A-N-T. B for bear. It spells B-E-A-R. C for cat. It spells C-A-T. D for dog. It spells D-O-G. E for elephant. It spells E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. F for frog. It spells F-R-O-G. G for giraffe. It spells G-I-R-A-F-F-E. H for horse. It spells H-O-R-S-E. I for iguana. It spells I-G-U-A-N-A. J for jellyfish. It spells J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H. K for koala. It spells K-O-A-L-A. L for llama. It spells L-L-A-M-A. M for mouse. It spells M-O-U-S-E. N for narwhal. It spells N-A-R-W-H-A-L. O for owl. It spells O-W-L. P for parrot. It spells P-A-R-R-O-T. Q for quail. It spells Q-U-A-I-L. R for rabbit. It spells R-A-B-B-I-T. S for seal. It spells S-E-A-L. T for tiger. It spells T-I-G-E-R. U for unicorn. It spells U-N-I-C-O-R-N. V for vulture. It spells V-U-L-T-U-R-E. W for worm. It spells W-O-R-M. X for xerus. It spells X-E-R-U-S. Y for yak. It spells Y-A-K. Z for zebra. It spells Z-E-B-R-A. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and click on the bell icon.